The first round of the much-awaited peace talks between representatives and legislatures of Meitei, Naga and Kuki communities has concluded at the Ministerial Hall located at New Delhi's 20 Subramaniam Bharti Khan Market this afternoon. The Ministry of Home Affairs had called the meeting to find solutions to the enduring crisis and restore peace in the region. This is the first meeting between the three communities since the violence erupted on May 3rd last year in Manipur. Speaking to a national news agency yesterday, Minister Awangbo Niamai, who had just arrived in Delhi for the meeting, said they don't know exactly what is going to be the agenda. As of now, comparatively, the situation in the state is cool. It is slowly subsiding. The situation has improved a lot. According to reports, the legislatures representing the Meitei community are Thongam Biswajit, Thokchom Satyabrata, Thongnauzam Basantakumar, Khongban Tabam Ibomcha, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Thokchom Radhesyam, Tongbram Robindro, Govindas Konthauzam, K.H. Raghumani, and Y. Khemchan, among others. The Kuki community is reportedly being represented by Letpao Hokip, Haukolet Kipgen, Paulen Lal Hokip, and others. Naga MLAs and ministers participating in the talks include Awangbo Niamai, El Dikho, and Ram Muiva. The move marks the first direct discussions between Kuki and Meitei representatives, highlighting the center's bid to bring about an amicable solution to the ongoing crisis between the two communities. The fate of today's talks in the national capital between the legislatures of Meitei, Naga, and Kuki communities in Manipur remains uncertain. Initiated by the Ministry of Home Affairs, these discussions aim to resolve the ongoing crisis that has plagued Manipur for over a year and a half, resulting in hundreds of deaths and the displacement of thousands.